Alright, right now I'm going to show you some simple ways to get subscribers. Now you check out this site www.submenow.com. I have a video. You'll see easy ways to get subscribers and it works 100%. Just have to be patient. You know, you get 10 subscribers per day, every day. Now multiply that by 7 days a week, 4 weeks for the month, 12 months for the year, and it's how much subscribers you get. This is totally free, so don't bother hesitate, go there straight. Check that out and tell me in the comments if it worked or not. If you like the video, drop me a comment. See? Let me know what you think about it. And remember, share the fun, don't keep it to yourself. Share it to a friend, like a friend share it to a friend. So we keep the word turning once the bus out again.